Hello, my name is Miguel Viedma, and I'm Vice President in charge of Digital and Business Innovation at Capgemini.
Hello, my name is Gloria Sanchez, and I'm Head of Transformation for Legal at Banco Santander. Miguel, I wanted to ask you one question. If you had to make a recommendation or to give some tips to a general counsel that is considering starting a transformation process in his or her legal department, what would be that tip?
Well, I think there's unfortunately no one common answer or just one magic solution for all cases. But maybe in my experience, what I would say is that planning is key. You really need to find out where you are and understand where you want to get to in alignment with your business and your operation strategy. So I think planning is definitely essential and include all the people that are going to make it possible. Sometimes we underestimate as well all the effort and time that it's involved in the deployment of a transformation plan. So again, I think plan in accordance to your goals and your objectives.
I fully agree with you, because sometimes we see that people who start a transformation process, they are somehow obsessed with technology. And the reality is that first you need to understand which is your problem, and then you need to go and solve it. For that, you need a lot of planning, and of course, you need to focus on execution. That's the only thing I would add. And also, in my opinion, a very important thing is to make the team, to make your lawyers participants of the transformation.
I think that's right. I fully agree. People is the other big pillar. Transforming and transformation is all about people, and it's about the team and how we create this feeling of belonging to the project. And for that, it's very important to take care of every single individual, for them to participate and to have a key role in the project. Not forget that within all teams we have people that comes with a very large or intuitive technology background. We have the millennials, and at the same time there are people that are not so used, especially within the legal community, to technology tools. So you need to really make sure that everyone has a place and a key role to play in the transformation program. Linked to the transformation and the change management within the legal teams, what do you think should be the role of the in-house counsel to support the innovation strategy within the company?
Well, I think both the general counsel and the legal team can play a relevant role in the innovation area in the company. It might sound somehow counterintuitive, but I think that, at least in my experience, that we can add a lot of value there. For example, imagine the procurement area of your company. If they would like to make innovation in the way they do the procurement, I guess that legal have a lot to say in that. For example, in the way you manage contracts, manage risks, and things like that. But not only in procurement, there are other areas. If you want to do, for example, projects in blockchain, I guess that legal has to do a lot of has to say a lot of about this. We have experiences, and maybe they're, somehow new for us, but we have experiences in recommending technology tools that were supposed to be used by legal, but then after seeing them, we thought, okay, they can be used by other areas of the company. So we start making recommendations, and somehow in our experience, we start being like a partner for other departments. So that's at least.
I think you're totally right, and I fully agree with you. I think the role of the in-house lawyer is key, especially now that we are entering into an area of more and more regulation. I'm coming from the IT and the technology world, and we are seeing, not to mention GDPR, but many other laws and directives that are impacting the way we provide services to our customers. And just an example, we created within Capgemini the concept of the Legal Innovation Lab. So we are putting together lawyers from different countries and different jurisdictions just to look at legal solutions together with the people developing new offerings, so that we can create from the outset a product that fits the market requirements, but also all the legal framework that we are required to comply with. So I wouldn't say that it's an advantage. I would say that it's even a must going forward that the lawyers are fully involved in the innovation strategy of the company.
Now that you mentioned the Innovation Lab for Legal, that reminds me something which we have done, and it's been, I mean, a great experience for lawyers. And we have run some kind of like innovation contest for our team, and it's been, you know, for the jury, we choose people from business and from data science team, innovation, technology. So they had, you know, the jury had a whole view of the business and the innovation strategy of the company, and we were surprised with the outcomes of the projects from the lawyers. And there's at least one project which is, I'm not sure if it's going to be performed, but it is like the seed for some other projects. So
I think lawyers are, in general, we are very shy. We are intelligent people, and we have a view of many things. And I think we should go out there and be more open and really show that we understand about the business, the industry, and we have a lot of things to contribute with apart from pure legal stuff.
I fully agree. How do you imagine the legal department in, I don't know, 10 years' time?
Wow, that's it's a really good question, and I think it's going to change a lot. I think it's going to be very different in the way we are using the tools available, because the technology is going to evolve very fast as well, and we as lawyers will need to evolve as fast as the technology, if possible. But one of the main key criteria that I would like to think that the lawyer of the future will have is the curiosity. As lawyers, I think we need to keep curious and to be intrigued about the world in general. And law is an area to expand and to explore this curiosity and together with all the technology advances. So I would say there will be many changes, probably the way we work in terms of remote connection, tools available, managing data, all that will change. But for me, the main, I would say, criteria would be for the lawyer of the future to continue being curious about life in general and about how to make life better through legal.
I agree with you. I think we will find like more, well, really data-driven departments, and like I hope we find like very techie lawyers. I'm finding some of them, but I guess we will have more of them, and also very adaptable people. That's what I would like having adaptable people who can change function and are eager to learn and to do different things. So that's what I wish we find in 10 years' time. Yeah.
Very good, Gloria. Well, I think unfortunately this is as much time as we had. So thank you very much. This is Miguel Viedma from Capgemini.
This is Gloria Sanchez from Santander. Thanks for listening to us.